By now on social media, you've probably seen this amazing smartwatch. From Carbinox, it's the Titan, and it is really, really hardened, waterproof, weatherproof, you name it. You got pull-down controls here, brightness, theater mode, settings, power savings. You even have weather pushed to you from your area or any area you set in the app. You can have notifications sent to you from your phone, and a little pull-out tab that shows you the basic stuff you need, including the most recent apps. Speaking of which, we could show you access to step count, with a chart showing you your daily steps hour by hour, last night's sleep time, and a chart and a summary on that. You have heart rate, continuous, represented on the watch, along with exercises from walking, running, and cycling to about 20 different other ones. Swimming, 5 atmosphere waterproof watch, gang. Yoga, workouts. Uh-oh, got something going there. We've also got blood pressure reading with this watch. Again, weather in your area with forecasts. We've got a remote shutter that will put this in picture mode, and you can take pictures with it. Blood oxygen that is actually using red diode technology to acquire that information, and a remote music player that you can play music on your phone. You have access to a variety of different watch faces, from simple ones that rotate like that to press and hold and get into all kinds of different faces. Digital, analog, you name it. You have access again to everything. Simply by pushing the lower button, they show up in icons. You can even do a breathe in, breathe out exercise routine. You've got timers, countdown timers, all kinds of activity. The watch itself is, of course, hardened to incredible standards. It's a bright screen, easily viewable outdoors. It has a TPU band that's sweet and flexible and easy to wear. All in all, it's a really winner of a watch. It's the Carbinox Titan. Check it out.